I will be showing you how to do the moss stitch in crochet. Here is a small swatch worked, and you can see how it's got the bumps and valleys like a moss stitch in knitting does. Here you can see I've worked a row in a contrasting color, and that will be so when we are working row 2 you guys can really see the loops that I'm talking about, because for the first row we will be working into the front loop, which are the loops along this edge. These are the back loops, and normally for a crochet stitch you work into both, insert my hook, you work into both the front and the back loops, but for this pass on moss stitch we're only going to be working into the front loop. So let me not lose my tail there. And so that's the front loop, and we're going to single crochet into the front loop only, and we will do that the entire way down the row. Okay, so we have worked one row of single crochet in the front loop only, and here are what were the back loops on the other side, which are now the front loops on this side. And we will now start, because of where we're at in the pattern, this is row 4. So we will start with a double crochet. So we yarn over the hook, and then the front loop of the stitch in the row below is where we will insert our hook. And this is why I did it in a contrasting color, to make it easier to see. And then we'll just finish our double crochet. And then we will single crochet in the next stitch. And again, yarn over and insert our hook in the front loop of the stitch below. And then finish the double crochet. And you'll get double crochets stacking on top of single crochets. Like in knit moss stitch, the purls are on top of the knits. And again, we just work into the front loop of the stitch below. Once you get going, you can kind of see where you can read your crochet. You'll see where there's supposed to be a single, where there's supposed to be a double. And that is how you do the crochet moss stitch.